Hello guys, today I want to bring you into Bandani Slums. Hey, wait, ladies at work, eh? You ladies at work.
In Bandani Slums, we'll be exploring the road and infrastructure that is taking place.
And funded by the World Bank of Kenya. As you can see, the client is the county government of Kisumu. And the project that they've been doing in these slums this is the second Kenyan informal settlements improvement project. The company or the project it is known as KISIP, and this is KISIP phase 2. Phase 1 was done, and this is lot 1 in Bandani, Nyavita, Migos, Manyata, and Manyata B. We have Manyata A and Manyata B. Nyarenda was done in the first KISIP, in the first lot. As you can see, overall responsibility, the chief officer, lands, housing, financial planning, and urban development. So you can see the construction supervisors. You have the batches are consulting engineers. In joint venture with Rhines Engineering Services Limited consulting engineers. You have the contractor known as the Chaju Builders Limited. They are based in Nairobi. Have this project started in 18th of January 2024. But that is the lot number, and that's all. So we also have an advice from the stoppage, advise and educate. So that's it. You also have a road infrastructure that is taking place now. We'd like to show you and take you around so that you may check the.
This project is a large infrastructure upgrade under the Kenyan Informal Settlements Improvement Projects. This initiative is supported by the World Bank and aims to improve access and living standards in informal settlements across the city, including Bandani. This project represents a broader effort by Kisumu County Government to upgrade informal settlements, improve urban mobility, and provide essential services to underserved communities.
So the informal settlements in Bandani Slums. So you can see some parts started developing, and this road will be helping so many people in means of transport, and the border riders who are doing transport in these roads of the slums. This road connects you to Kanyameda Estate,
which is a residential area that mixes middle and low income families, whereby it also faces challenges like common informal settlements, such as limited access to infrastructure and essential services.
Unataka kuongea? Oh, thank you. What I've come to realize in most of the slums, this floodlight, it is in most of the slums.
Yes,
you can see,
very big
range. See, there was another one in Nyalenda, another one in Manyata, another one in which place was that? Was it Kaloleni? Kaloleni.
It's very funny.
You can see some women are at work. This road has really brought job employment to the community around the slums of Bandani. However, they used to do crime. At least now they are not doing crime. They have something to do. I'm at Bandani, and it's a new road being built here, and it is funded. I heard, but it is been funded by World Bank.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
So a friend of mine here will tell us more about the road. How did it start? What is the things that you really need?
Actually, I was disappointed with this part of the clip whereby I had to pull almost 10 minutes of it in this interview because my microphone disappointed me. I thought it was recording the voice, but it was only recording the video without the voice. So sorry guys, you missed this part. Even though I was asking questions like how does this project of the road support the community in this Bandani Slums? So he told me most of the widows are working hard in these slums of Bandani because most of them are living without their husbands. They are single mothers with the children, like one or two. So there are most of them who are working here that are they are using that money to earn a living with their kids, and part of the money they are using it in paying for their children school fee. In addition to that, he also said that this road project has brought light in these Bandani slums, whereby most of the youths, the young men, have worked here for since the road started. Yet most of them were committing crime like murdering or thuggery, burglary. So at least they have stopped because this road is making them busy. At least they are getting something out of it to support themselves as an upkeep. In this part, he was trying to explain for me different types of sewer lines, whereby in the most of the slums they use the U shape sewer line, and in the highway they use the V shape sewer line because there is more water coming from the slum. That's why they use the bigger U-shaped sewer line, and the higher there is little water that is flowing, they use the V-shaped sewer line.
Because of the heat.
Yeah.
Change
Okay,
it.
so
Most of slums we are using
U.
on pitching,
Ah.
but here they designed this U because of water.
Okay.
There is many water coming from the hillside,
Okay.
Nyaera, and even these areas. Yeah. So that's why they have designed this one.
So when did you start this kind of job or the roads, construction of the roads and whatever?
Oh, for the last 13 good years to 14. This is the 14th year.
Okay. So you were in Kaloleni also?
I was there in Kaloleni. I have worked in Kakamega.
Okay.
In Bungoma. Many parts in Western.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I think I'm overwhelmed with what you are doing here in the slums.
Yes.
At least this road has brought some job opportunities to the youths who have been doing crimes. At least now they have started doing the crimes.
Yes.
At least they are getting something to do. At least they are getting some food out of it.
Yes.
I think it's a good thing.
It's a good thing.
So thank you for your advice and for your comments.
Yes.
And for guiding people who are really struggling outside there. Maybe if you find such jobs, you can be contacted. In case you get such kind of job, you can call some people at least for them to get an income out of it.
Yes.
So thank you guys. We'll continue the vlog of the road. This is one of the people who have been doing this job. We're just doing some small interview regarding the road.
The drainage.
Nara, chua do mana teach. Yeah. Nasema tunachapa tu kazi. Yeah. You should learn some of the lures, You need to learn some of the lures,
You can sit here. This is a place that is swampy. Looks like at one place.
Yeah.
So it's a big process actually when you make this comparison.
Mm. Yeah.
So here ni kuchapa kazi.
Na hapa ni kuchapa kazi. By the way, hii barabara imesaidia watu wengi kupata job. So umesikia huyu jamaa anasema wanawake ndio wanachapa job ndani kuliko wanaume.
Oh, man.
Hawa ni concrete. I think after putting this structure, they will be pouring the concrete. The concrete has already been mixed. I think they will be pouring on it to make the U-tunnel. The U.
What do you call? Is it a mixer?
Yeah, it's a mixer.
Mixes concrete and
concrete mixer.
Concrete
Mixer.
Oh, yeah,
Yeah, they are happy. But there is an evidence women are working harder than men.
Women are really working hard.
But again, the video pia YouTube. Wacha
There are some projects that started before I started this one. That way I was working. The company was closed. Okay. So I came here. It was really helpful to finish up your project. Oh, that's nice. What about you? What would you say? So definitely, I'll be working almost 2 months. The sector that I've gotten thank you so much. I've paid for my son's school fees. Wow, so it has helped you to pay for your son's school fees. Yeah. Meaning it's a really good project. Yeah. It has benefited all of you. Who else wanna say hi?
Hey, ladies at work, eh? Hey, ladies at work. Asanteni. Naona madems wanachapa kazi kuliko wanaume hapa. Nachapa kazi sana. Sawa. Motivation.
So I think this time they are working on the drainage.
Yeah.
So that now they come to the main road.
Main road.
Because without a drainage, the road might get
flooded.
Yeah, it might get destroyed maybe because of the water.
Yeah.
And some blockages. So I think that's why they are working on them.
I think even the water will be removing the topsoil that they have put the Maram road.
Yes, yes.
So the Maram one.
First work on the drainage, so then now they continue now the main road. So this is the project, Bandani, that is being expanded by the World Bank. Yeah, as you can see it.
The good thing that I've liked regarding this road, it will bring so many jobs and development infrastructure in this area. Yeah. I think, I don't know whether it's a bulldozer, roller, excavator. Huh? A roller. But the flat one is the roller and this one is oh, I think this road is big, huh? Up to the other side of the road.
As you can see, this road is under construction. Once it is completed, I plan to redo the video to capture its final state and improvement. So guys, stay tuned for the next video that I'll be uploading soon after the completion of the construction.
I've been told that they'll be putting the sidewalk on the other side. So you can see the other side of the sewer line. They'll be putting the sidewalks. Hello guys, you've seen the road, how it really looks like. It has really helped so many people. I heard whereby they'll be doing this job for like for 2 months for it to end until they fix the work sites and the drainage systems. They're being paid 750 shillings per day, which is it's not bad at all for the single person or for the single mama who will be helping their children in terms of maybe buying food, or they can get something out of it to feed themselves. I can say thank you very much for watching my YouTube channel. Until next time, stay tuned for the next video. Bye bye.